Hello guys, so welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to design a courier website or a logistics website, or some of you may call it a delivery website. And today we're going to be using WordPress. I now previously uploaded a video where I used WordPress to design a courier website with tracking. But in that video, we used a free WordPress theme. The advantage of using a free WordPress theme is obviously because you're not going to buy a template, you're not going to buy a theme, you're not going to be paying for any file. You're going to design from scratch using Elementor. If you want to check out that video, you can scroll through my channel and find the video and watch. But in this particular script, we're going to be using a premium WordPress template. All right, premium meaning it is a paid WordPress theme. But the advantage is it's going to be faster. In the next 20 minutes, if you are very, very fast, you're going to get a courier website completely set up without any issues, that has tracking functionalities and every other feature intact. Now, this process is very, very, very simple, and anybody can do it. But I want to be specific about people that this video is not meant for. All right, this video is not meant for you if you're not comfortable about using the computer. If maybe using the computer scares you, or you're not savvy with computer system, you cannot operate on a computer system, obviously this video is not for you. But if you can do that, this video is for you. With this video, you can set up a courier website even if you've not designed any website before. But then if you're in the website design space, all right, you are designing websites either with WordPress or whichever means you're using to design a website, this video will be easy for you to grasp. All right, this video is meant for you because it's going to be a whole lot easy for you. And then if you're a website designer and you are savvy with WordPress, you're a WordPress website designer, this video is going to be just a piece of cake for you, because in split second you must have learned how to design everything and be doing your own job yourself. And then for the very newbies that will come and watch this video, we did not start from the very beginning of website. All right, before you start this video, you should have at least known to the extent of getting your domain name and hosting and having your cPanel set up, at least, because we started from there. But if you're a complete newbie and you want to increase or improve your knowledge, or you want to grasp web design knowledge, if you want to be taught web design after watching this video and you feel like web design is what you can do, and you want to enroll and become a WordPress or a web design expert using tools like WordPress and scripts to design websites, contact the number in this description below to get enrolled after watching this video. So without wasting much of our time, sorry for wasting your time to this point, let's get straight to the business of the day. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to be designing a courier website using a WordPress theme. Thank you very much, and see you inside.
Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video I will be showing you how to install this courier and delivery website using WordPress. So for you to access this interface, you must have registered and have an account on an hosting company. For you to be able to access your cPanel, you must have chosen a domain and have a hosting account. So we recommend hostings like Elite Cloud Server, Namecheap, and Hostinger for you to have something like this. Kindly note that we are not partners with these people and we don't own these companies. We have only tested our script on these hostings and they work perfectly. All right, so let's proceed. The first thing you need to do is to come to WordPress and install WordPress. So from here, you tap install. Let's go back a bit. I'm supposed to click on install. So make sure this is on HTTPS and make sure your domain you want to install your WordPress on is here. All right. So ensure you remove this WP. Then you scroll down, you choose a username, and then you choose a password, just like this. I'm going to copy this. So you might untick this. We don't need this. You can untick this. Then you come down here and click install. This will just take few seconds and WordPress will be installed on your website. So WordPress has been installed, and now we need to enter into our admin dashboard by tapping on that link. Remember, to access your admin dashboard, it needs to be your URL slash WP admin, your site URL slash WP hyphen admin. And if I tap on this, it's automatically going to take me to my WordPress dashboard. So from this side is where I am going to start, working on my WordPress courier and delivery. All right. So from here, I am going to install some plugins. So I'm just going to come to plugin and come to add plugin. To make this work easier, instead of installing a theme, plugins, and everything, we have installed this particular website on a particular domain, and then we're just going to import it. All right, just follow me. Search for this plugin, all in one WP migration. This is the plugin that we are going to be using to import a already existing website into this particular website, and then we are going to do some editings. So here is the plugin right here, which you need to just click on install, and then you click on activate. Once you click on activate, you are going to see it right here. So as you can see, I'm just going to tap over on this all-in-one WP migration and tap on backups. All right. But this backup is going to show you if you have any file on this website. The file is new, so of course you won't have any backup. You need to click on import. That means there is a file you want to import into this website to make this website start working perfectly. All right. So this is where you will need us, because for you to access this file, you need to reach out to us or find something related to this information below this video, wherever you are watching it from. So click on import. Once I click on import, it's going to ask me where I want to import from. So I'm just going to tap on this, then I'm going to come to file. Then I'm going to pick this particular backup file from my laptop, which is the file I'm saying you have to reach out to us to get that. Remember, we are inside of WordPress, and this might take few minutes to import depending on your network. So you can see it is loading. So I'm going to pause this video and play it back once it is done importing. You can see it's already in 2.50%. So I'm going to pause this video, and it will resume back once it's almost done. So you can see this is almost done, and once it gets to 100%, it's going to start importing immediately. So as you can see, importing this file will replace everything. Just click on proceed. Make sure you click on proceed, and this will automatically start importing. So the backup is importing into the website already. So this is also going to take a few minutes, and you can see the site has imported successfully. So I'm going to tap on finish, and once I tap on finish, the first thing I'm going to do is to come to settings. Yeah, so once I tap on settings, it's going to ask me this, and I'm going to click on update WordPress database, and I'm going to click on continue. At this point, the username and password are now different from what you used when you were installing. Right, so the username and password are now different. When anybody is going to be getting the file from us, this particular file will be giving you the username and password for you to access this website. Meanwhile, let me log in and show you how the dashboard works. Yeah, so I'm just going to click on login, and then once I log in, it's going to take me directly to the admin dashboard. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you back, and you can see this is the site title, the site name. This is where you change the site name to whatever you want. So let's just change this to Cargo Express. This is where you change the tagline, and this is where you choose the site icon. This one appearing up here. This is where you change that, and this is where you put the email right from general settings. This is where you put the email, and then you click on save changes. So after you have done this, the next thing you have to do is to go to Go Cargo Options right here. Go Cargo Options. So just tap on Go Cargo Options. Then you are going to have this interface. Don't forget you are still in the admin settings. So from here, you can come to the preload settings. This is the preloader. There is something that loads before your site opens. This is where you either turn it off or you turn it on. This is the logo and fave icon. This is where you change the logo of the website. You can see how simple it is. Just by changing it here, it automatically changes throughout the website. Don't forget to save changes. This is where you also correct the typography, the font of the website. You can decide to choose your own font from here. You can just choose your own font. All right. Then this is the footer settings. This is the footer. You can decide to change the footer to copyright 2025, and and then you update this to your own website URL. Then you have demo importer. There is a lot of demos that you can use. For this, let's visit this website. Let's see the one on this website now. This is how the website is looking presently because we have installed that file. You can see the preloader. You can see the preloader, and this is the site. So the site is still loading. So you can see the site already loading. This is the hero section, and then if you scroll down, you can see how beautiful the site is already looking. Yeah. So this is the footer I mentioned the other time. We are going to remove this. For you to remove this, all these things that are showing here, just tap on this thing that has sidebar debug. Just tap on this. You are seeing this interface because you are the admin. Once you are no longer the admin, you won't be able to see all these things we are seeing. All right. So you can see now that the site is loading fine, and then when we scroll down and get to footer, this is what we changed the other time. This Kogago Express pathway. This is where you change that thing. What we tried in changing here in footer settings. Now this is demo importer. Looking at the script, the file we uploaded. This is the particular demo we are using. So you can decide to use this one, you can decide to use this one, you can decide to use this one. They all work the same way but different interface. So this is the one we are using, and that is why we have it like this. So let's go to editing this website. So once you are logged in as an admin, you've logged in as an admin, the first place you need to go is appearance. Then you click on customize. You open this in a new tab or whatever way you want it to open. The endpoint is for you to open it. So this is going to help you in customizing some parts of the website, which is specifically the subfooter area. We call it subfooter area before you get to the main footer, and then we'll be doing that from widgets. So let's allow the site to load. This is what we want to change. The errors here. So this is widget 1, this is widget 2, and this is widget 3. So we come to widgets. There you can see about 2 widgets, and now we have this United Kingdom rainbow. So just tap on it and scroll down, and then you can change the location right here. You can change this location to China. Then you can also change this phone number to whatever you want. You can also change this email. Just be careful so that you don't clean a file that you need. This is where you can also change this email right here. Don't forget, once you do that, you need to click on publish up here. You need to click on publish up here, and automatically it will be published. So we need to also edit this particular one, this particular write-up, expressway logistics, showing here. All right, so we just need to just come back here and go to footer 3 widgets. Footer 3 widget, this particular one, express pathway. Just tap on it again and then scroll down, and then you can edit this. So I'm just going to change this to cargo express. Then don't forget to publish. So we are done here. Then we go back to our admin dashboard. They want to edit this particular site. You want to edit this site. So for you to edit this site, make sure from your admin you come over here, and then you tap on visit site. Then you are going to have this place. All right. So once you have here, all you need to take is to click on edit page. You can see this edit page, or edit with WP page builder. So let's just tap on this. This particular website edits with WP page is a page builder that allows you to edit this page. So we are going to do this. So we are quickly going to edit this particular page. So all you need to do is scroll down. Yeah. So from here, if you want to edit any information here, all you need to do is to tap on this pencil. So I'm going to tap on this pencil, and you can see the information right here is going to show here. All right, not this particular one. You can see the OT service grid. This one. You tap on it. You can see select 3 columns. This is where you select if you want 3 columns, or you want to increase this column to 6, or you want to reduce it to 2. But let's leave it at 3 because it's actually still beautiful as that 3. All right. So the white choosers, you can see the white choosers from this place. You can edit the white choosers. You can see customer satisfaction. You just need to hover on it, and then you have this pencil. Once you tap on this pencil, you'll be able to see tools. You'll be able to see we pride ourselves. As you can see, it's written here, we pride ourselves. And then you can see this is the write-up. So once you want to add anything, you just add anything more, and then you click on save changes, and then it is going to add. So you can see what we added is now there, GGG. Right, so for this one also, you need to hover on it, and then you click on this pencil. And don't forget, once you are done, you need to click on this update right here. If not, whatever you are editing is not going to show on the screen. But without that, you can do every other thing here. For this testimonial, you can't edit this testimonial from this side. All right, you can edit this from this side. All you need to do is just tap on these pencils like I've explained. So for you to edit the testimonials, you come back to this place, and then you come over to testimonial. You can see testimonial, then you come to all testimonial. Then you tap on the testimonial. These are the testimonies you are seeing on that page. This is from Marina Leopard. This is from Mortimer Elmo. This is from Alina Drummond. All you need to do is to click on edit, 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 and edit those testimonials you are seeing on that page. All right, this testimonial, this particular one, this is where you edit it. Yeah. So let me quickly show you how to set shipment and all of that. So once you are here on your admin dashboard, you go to Go Cargo Shipment. So if you tap on Go Cargo Shipment, it's just going to take you directly to the dashboard of the shipment. You can see these are shipments already. Let's just use this one to track. Let's see how the tracking looks like. Let's use this. All right. So let's visit the website again, and let's try out the shipments. So this is loading. This is the preloader. You can remove it. You can remove it if you don't like the way it loads before you can access your website. Yeah, this is the tracking. This is where you press the tracking number, and then you click on track it, and automatically it's going to load out the shipments. So you can see this shipment is currently at this place. That is because this is where we are setting the shipment. So this is the receiver's information, you can see. So once you update the shipment, it's going to keep on reading. Let's try and track another shipment. Let's try this. Let's track this shipment also. You just need to paste it again here. Track it. You can see now, as at November 3, the shipment has been successfully delivered. As at November 3, 2025 and 2015, November 2, the shipment is being transferred to destination country. The international shipment has been processed. You can see how this keeps on updating. All right, so that is how the shipment works. For you to create a shipment, you just need to come back here and click on over on this Go Cargo Shipment and click on add new shipment. You can see add new shipment. Automatically the website is going to load out here, and then you add your shipment title here, the title of the shipment, like the tracking number. It's your choice to input whatever you want. The time for the shipment, the date, it shows the date, it shows the status, all right, it shows the address, then the information of the shipper, the information of the receiver. You just tap on it, then the shipment information. All right, this is how you create a shipment already. So once you've updated the shipment and you want to update the shipment, you just come to all shipments. Automatically all the shipments you created are going to be appearing under all shipments. So for you to edit this shipment, all you need to do is just click on edit on one of these things. You need to edit one of these things, and you can see from here you have what you have created before. You can see. So for you to update this shipment, all you need to do is to just edit some things here, just like this place. The time, present time. You just change this time, you change the date, the status. Let's say in transit. Once you put it in transit, by the time you update and go and track the shipment, it is going to be an additional message again, like November, so this shipment has been on transit or something like that. So that is how this shipment website works, and this is WordPress. This is how you can create a delivery and courier website just on WordPress. For you to get this file, reach out to the number on the screen or just to the information around this video wherever you are watching it for you to get the file and also the login details. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest.
Okay, thank you very much for watching that video, for watching till this point. So if you are still seeing my face, that means you've watched this video, you've enjoyed this video, and still watching at this point. Now I'm going to surprise you for still watching, for sticking with us to this point. Now, to get this particular file that we used, you contact the number in the description below to get access to the file. I know a lot of people, before watching to this part of the video, they must have rushed, to DM to start looking for the script. But the advantage you have watching to the end of this video is, because I'm uploading this video for the very first time, this offer may not last long. I'm going to be giving out the script. These scripts originally, these files, I mean to say, originally will cost nothing less than 50k, 50 to 100k, 70, 80, 100k. But if you've watched to this point, if you send a message on WhatsApp, if you contact this number on WhatsApp, send a message with the key statement, is the 25,000 naira offer still active? All right, if you send that message, I'll know you've watched this video to this point, and I'll just give you the file for 25,000 naira. And like I said, this offer is not going to be here forever. If you are watching this video after 1 year, few months of uploading this video, this offer may not be up anymore. But this offer is for the people that are watching this video for the very first time, like they are watching it as it is dropping, my first viewers, and the people that are patient enough to watch to this point. So if you have succeeded to this point, send a message on DM. Even if you're not ready to design yet, before you get your domain name and hosting, you can secure the files now. It will just be 25,000 naira. If you send a message with the statement, is the 25,000 naira offer still active? That is the only statement that will qualify you. That will make me understand that you've watched to this point. I'm going to see how many people that have watched to this point. Contact the number below to get both support and the script, because I know that a lot of you are going to still be asking more questions, needing support, also offer support. All right. And like I said, if you want to learn web design as a whole, also contact us and I'll do justice to you. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.